So now, welcome back, and we will create our first video in Render Forest, that is using adding scenes. So I select this and then I'll select the create option. It will take me to this screen for creating videos in the Render Forest under free option. On the very left side, we are having few options. We have all, videos and images part. In the all section, we are having every category. Male character animations, if you need a male character in your scene. Female character animations, if you need some of the female option. Occupations for male, occupations for female. Office animation with male characters. Office animations with female character. Children animation if you need in the male option. Children animation in the female option. Corporate characters, group animations. Corporate casual characters, group animations. There are some of the family animations. We have logo animations. Then we have kinetic typography. It means you want to give some of the text. Title animation, folding, unfolding or sliding from bottom. These are the options available in the kinetic typography. Then we have text holders. If you want to give some type of text, you can have these kind of text holders. The next option is the check marks and X marks. Suppose you want to give following options in your video. You can have these kind of check marks or cross marks. Then we have image holders. If you want to place some of the images, you can have these kind of image holders. We are going to have these used in our videos and you will see how these actually work. The next option is the finances and money. If you want to give something related to the finances and money part, you can have these kind of scenes. Then we have food and beverages. If you want to give the contact option, let us suppose if we are creating our college video or something video related to our business and you want to give the contact type, you can give here. Then we have video holders. If you want to give video inside a video, you can have this through this option. Then we are having one of the options related to science and technology. This is the science and technology option. We have translation option. We have some ribbons, office and education, real estate, internet and social media, some of the challenges, graphical places, like we are having Egyptian pyramids, we are having White House, ancient Chinese temple is there, maps and flags. If you want to give some of the maps option or any other options, you can have these. You can see you are having a map of Australia, Africa and so on. You can have India's map also, that is available in the I category. See, you are also having India. Then we have weather and infrastructure. So in this way, you can have some of the scenes available. So now I'm going to start with the video. First of all, I want to give the logo of my college in my video. Fine. So I'll go with the logo option. We have the logo animations. I'll select one of the options available here. You can select any of the scenes available from following options. If you want to have this kind of logo, you can just hover your mouse over one of the scene and you can see how the scene will look alike. So I'm selecting the third scene and then use insert button. Once you insert, the scene will be inserted here in your video. See, this is my palette. This is how my video going to be work. I have selected one of the logo scene. You can have the editing of image option and you can add the text. So first of all, I'm going to give here the logo of my college. Select this. You will have 4 options. You can upload your image, that is any logo. You can have media library. You can select any image from any URL or you can create your logo. So here I am going to upload from the first option, that is upload option, and here I'll select my college logo. Okay, I'll go to the images part and here I'm having my college logo. I'll select this and see my logo has been placed here. But now my logo is getting cut, right? So you are having four options. You can use fill, you can use fit option. By using fit option, my logo properly fits inside the window. The next option is the rotation. If you want to rotate your image, you can rotate it as you like. And the last option is of filter. If you need any type of filter you want, you can have it. So here I'm not having any kind of filter. I'm just cancelling it. This is my entire logo placed inside the window with this fit option. I'll select this and then you can click on the done. If you want to replace the image, you can go here and replace the image if you want to replace it. I'm selecting done part and see my logo has been placed here. Now type your text. Once you select this, you will get this window. Here they have suggested that you can have 55 characters which are advised to you. If you have more than 55 characters, then those characters will not be shown in the scene. So here try to have only 55 characters. So here I am giving the college name as Nathamdharam College, Ambala, Kent. And these are 36 letters and which is advisable. You can click on save and close and this entire scene will be saved. And my scene has been created. Now you can see that my scene has been created. This is the scene duration, that is 7 seconds. If you want to change it, you can select it. Every scene in Render Forest can be of some minimum or maximum time. This scene has suggested us the 7-second duration. If you want to increase this duration to 10 seconds, you can increase that. If you want to reduce it, you can have minus sign. So minimum is 5 seconds, maximum is 10 seconds. If you want to have 10-second scene, you can save it and this scene is converted into 10 seconds. The total duration of my scene, my video is 10 seconds. Fine. So till now I have done the editing part. In next video we are going to work on style, color, music and preview option. Stay tuned.